15th. 15th. We finish 15th in the damn league. You know, because we're Manchester United fan. Let's go. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel, fam. Welcome back to the channel. Listen, Jamaicans, home and abroad, Manchester United fans, home and abroad, anywhere there. Listen to the words of my mouth. Manchester United's pull has never, ever been so evident as of today. Never ever has Manchester United pull been so evident as of today. You think Pogba pull was bad? You think Di Maria pull was bad? You think Zlatan pull was bad? You think all of those big name players coming in for the past 10 years was bad? Manchester United is 15th. 15th. But before we get into it, please make sure you drop a like on the video. Subscribe right down there if you're brand new. Everybody, bless yourself. Referee, blood whistle fam. Let's go. Listen me. Manchester United finished 15th in the damn league last year. 15th. Like Wolves and Everton, them people they play for today. 15th. Manchester United doesn't deserve to call himself a football club last year. Manchester United finished 15th, fam. Come to the last game of the season, them there 17th or 16th, something like so. 15th in the league last year. And today yesterday marks the second day in the penultimate transfer market, because there are two transfer market this season because of the Club World Cup. They have a month, this first month, July, and then the next month after the World Cup done. So this month marks the first day of the Champions League yesterday. And what the Manchester United do yesterday? We go on our Wolves and say, yo, run me Cunha. Run me Cunha right now. Cunha wasn't part of my list in the last part of the season last year. I was saying, yo, bring me the youth from Bournemouth, bring me Eze. Maybe Cunha. The man name is going out and say, bring me Cunha right now. Me am Manchester United. Bring me Cunha right now. Simple things, simple maths. As the first day transfer market, I was yesterday. And today, when David Oisin dropped it, when he said Brian Mbuemo, however I want him, decided to choose Manchester United over Arsenal, the perennial runners-up in the Premier League for the past 3 years, over Newcastle, the Carabao Cup winners and Champions League survivors last year, over Tottenham, the champions of Europe, because they win Europa League, beat Manchester United last season, almost last season, because I feel like last year too. You know what I mean? Brian Mbuemo said, listen, I want to talk to Manchester United and Manchester United alone. No, Manchester United have to talk to Brentford and say, yo, see me, take 50 million a day. So you are telling me that Matthias Cunha from Wolverhampton said, listen, Manchester United alone we want. When Arsenal tried to get it last year, in January, man said, no, go where I go. Manchester United alone we want. Brian Mbuemo. So listen to me, you can talk how you want. You can say anything you want. Manchester United alone we want. And you think that Manchester United doesn't have any pull? Osla, you think Manchester United doesn't have any pull? Chojos? Sib? Delano? You me attack. You pussies in my chat group every day. Talk about Manchester United this, Manchester United that. Scully, Eh? What? We say no. What? We say? Sham? I can't hear you. You post this in my chat group every day saying shit about Manchester United. Manchester United just sit back. 15th in the league. We don't have nothing to say about nothing. We're just put two of the most attacking, goal scoring, assisting footballers in the Premier League this year. Remember the days when we pulled Rio Ferdinand? You remember them days? Eh? Look what we're doing now, fam. Look what we're doing now. Brian Mbuemo. We already signed Matheus Cunha. Now hear me out, Manchester United. Hear me out. Hear me out. Pull Gyökeres or Osimhen and it done. I don't care who else you want to bring after that. Bring Osimhen or Gyökeres and Adesso it done, fam. Adesso it done. Right there so it done. Right there so it done. Hey, fans, get ready for it, you know. Get ready for it. Big later this year, you know. This season is gonna be epic, you know. Arsenal fans, Man City fans, maybe Man City fan, one of them. Liverpool fans, Chelsea fans, Manchester United is coming for you, you know, brother. Man United is coming for no blood clot. You know. All of the ridicule them man I get last year and the year before. Remember me tell you, you know, brother. Remember. Listen me. Actually, I'm just come back from biking, you know. Can pick up little biking, try exercise. And the first thing we do when we come back, see me here? Stand up in front of you guys telling you Manchester United when the blood clot season start next year. It's going to be a nothing but war. People bless yourself, bless up others. Say hi to your friends and your family because Manchester United is about to sign Brian Mbuemo. Manchester United already signed Matheus Cunha, the man them with 49 goals and assists last season. Them two man there, 49 goals. Listen, stop chatting, man. Bless up yourself, bless up others. Manaz.